Welcome to our channel. If you want to clear notification history on your Android device to remove past alerts and free up space, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Pull down from the top of your screen to open the notification shade where active notifications are displayed. Swipe down twice to expand it fully. Step 2. To clear current notifications, tap Clear All at the bottom of the notification shade. This removes all currently visible notifications but doesn't clear the notification history. Step 3. To access notification history, long press on any empty space in the notification shade or tap the gear icon to open settings. Step 4. In Settings, navigate to Notifications or Apps and Notifications, depending on your Android version and device manufacturer. Step 5. Look for Notification History or Advanced Settings. Tap on it to view a chronological log of all notifications you've received recently. Step 6. Review the notification history, which shows notifications from the past 24 hours. You can see which apps sent notifications and when, even if you've already dismissed them. Step 7. To clear the notification history, look for an option to Clear All, or use the Overflow menu, 3 dots, to find clearing options. Not all Android versions support bulk clearing. Step 8. For future management, you can disable notification history entirely in the notification settings by toggling off notification history or customize per-app notification settings to reduce clutter. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.